Oh, it smells.
Ew. You asshole! I have hairs! You say you're gonna have to go in the water for a sonogram? Is that what you said?
No, I'm gonna have to go in the water for this.
I know.
What time is it?
6. And I'm taking the video, as you people know.
Oh, woohoo! YouTube. Go on YouTube.
Caitlin's having piss come out of a bag.
It's a potato chip.
There you go. Caitlin with no straps. Nick,
No, we need this asshole.
looking sexy.
Hey!
Nikki, look at me.
Yeah!
Nikki, hey, sexy.
And gorgeous!
And then you got Caitlin, looking all smexy.
I look like shit.
And their little creation with their pole.